Today we are going to teach you how to add the two LED lights at both sides of the cabinet. First of all, take this light off, and then you will get this from us. You just use screw to fix this one at both sides of the cabinet. Then you find the terminal of this wire. Then you can take it off. Our engineer will give you a demonstration.
翻手喺入面摸到嗰條線，掹出嚟。
Start rolling down and move it to the bottom. Lift it to here. Yeah, move the terminal of the wire to this position and then use a tape to fix it. This is the terminal of the light. Then after that, plug this into that black terminal. Then it will be okay. After you plug the two terminals, LED light will be on.
Vending machine for sale.